大家好，歡迎嚟到阿 Man 隨便噏，唔係亂噏頻道。好啦，今日要講嘅呢，就係一個好大嘅消息，呢個世界上係重大嘅消息，就係咩呢？就係中國將會係控制同埋分配全世界嘅石油供應。好啦，點解呢？嗱，我哋先睇睇呢一位係博主啊，呢位博主係呢個頻道呢，就叫做係 Geopolitical Economic Report。咁呢位博主咧係講嘢咧係好真㗎，佢就唔會講大話嘅。咁我哋而家咧聽聽佢係點樣講嘅。
Trying to pressure other countries to also send their warships. However, this is where things get very interesting geopolitically because the Iranian government has announced an exception. Tehran has revealed that it will allow Chinese oil tankers to pass through the Strait of Hormuz without any problems. And this has led to some ships trying to pass through the Strait of Hormuz to signal that they are Chinese owned ships. Although there's some speculation that these are actually foreign ships falsely claiming to be Chinese. But geopolitically, this is a major development. Iran is responding to a US war of aggression that is also backed by much of the West because many European countries have joined the US in supporting this war. And Iran is now signaling to the West that this extremely important oil transit choke point is closed for them, but it's open for China, which has good relations with Iran. But it's not just that. An Iranian government official also told CNN that Tehran will allow other countries to send oil tankers through the Strait of Hormuz under one condition. They have to sell that oil in China's currency, the renminbi, also known as the yuan, not the US dollar. This is an extremely important geopolitical development.
嗱，咁佢主要講咗兩樣嘢，就話咧，伊朗容許中國嘅油輪通過荷密斯海峽。咁就第二樣嘢就係咧，伊朗容許其他國家嘅油輪通過荷密斯海峽，只要佢哋嗰個石油係用人民幣嚟支付嘅。咁咧呢個即係話咧，人民幣咧同埋中國咧係將會係控制咗全世界嘅石油供應。我諗你大家都知道係俄羅斯已經係供應絕大部分嘅石油俾中國，而伊朗大概80%嘅石油亦都係供應俾中國。咁亦都沙特阿拉伯亦都有係同中國簽咗係用人民幣嘅石油協議。咁而家咧，伊朗直情講埋，如果你其他嗰啲國家係想出口石油咧，都係要用人民幣支付。咁即係話咗好簡單，中國將會係控制咗石油嘅分配嘅購買所有嘅嘢，而中國已經喺上海已經有呢個石油嘅市場啦。咁所以咧，喺嚟緊嘅幾個禮拜之內咧，我相信咧就好多國家當佢哋發覺佢嘅石油佢個燃油嘅短缺已經係頂唔順咧，佢就要去同中國就買石油㗎啦，買燃油㗎啦，因為中國自己本身已經有200幾300日嘅燃油供應，再加上而家佢不停同俄羅斯、同伊朗，同加上新嘅中東其他嘅產油國嗰啲石油嘅供應咧，咁就中國就將會係全世界嘅石油、燃油嘅係經銷中心嚇。咁呢個咧就加上中國已經係控制咗全世界嘅稀土供應。我諗你大家都知道，稀土係國家先進國家係嗰個啲武器啦、電動車啦，所有嘅高科技都需要嘅一個係稀有嘅物質嚟嘅。所以冇咗稀土咧，所有國家咧，第一佢做唔到高科技嘢，電動車做唔到，仲要加埋武器都做唔到。而咧，大家都可能知道，中國已經係唔容許係出口稀土俾美國係俾軍火嘅需要，但係佢俾佢用係叫做係普通 叫做平民嘅需要，但係佢會控制佢唔好流向軍火。咁所以咧，中國而家係控制咗呢一個美國嘅軍火嘅製造業。呢個將會係，亦都美國係嚟緊至少10幾20年都會追唔到，而中國咧將會咧係進步得好快嘅呢個。好啦，咁將佢好多嘅因素，另外加埋中國係已經控制咗全世界嘅全世界最大嘅生產力，呢個係全世界冇其他國家係可以代替。咁咧呢個亦都造就咗中國將會係全世界嘅一個最有力量嘅領袖。不過大家唔使擔心，因為中國係一個和平嘅愛好國家，所以佢亦都唔會利用佢力量嚟係霸凌其他嘅國家。因為中國嘅目標都係整個全世界一個命運共同體。暫時係咁先，好，拜拜。